Since the company's inception in 2003, Tesla's mission has been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The first Tesla product, the Roadster sports car, debuted in 2008, followed by the Model S sedan, which was introduced in 2012, and the Model X SUV, which launched in 2015. Model S received Consumer Reports' Best Overall Car and has been named the Ultimate Car of the Year by Motor Trend, while Model X was the first SUV ever to earn 5-star safety ratings in every category and subcategory in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's tests. In 2017, Tesla began deliveries of Model 3, a mass-market electric vehicle with more than 320 miles of range, and unveiled Tesla Semi, which is designed to save owners at least $200,000 over 1 million miles based on fuel costs alone. In 2019, Tesla unveiled Cybertruck, which will have better utility than a traditional truck and more performance than a sports car, as well as the Model Y compact SUV, which began customer deliveries in early 2020. With increasing production of all these vehicles and breaking into the market, Tesla needed gigafactories, so Elon Musk made them. There are several gigafactories, and one of them is a gigafactory in Shanghai, China. Welcome back to the Future Lore channel. As Tesla becomes more and more popular, people are more and more interested in its gigafactories and shiny cars. Surely you're also one of the fans of these cars, and that's why today we'll talk about Tesla's new gigafactory in Shanghai, China, and its excellent performance. Before the video starts, we only require a few clicks, like and subscribe. Tesla's cars are fast, but they've got nothing on the team that built the electric car maker's factory in Shanghai, China, the company's first gigafactory outside of the United States. The team completed the $2 billion project at record speed, moving from permitting to final electrical work in just 168 working days. The feat that made Tesla a Chinese unicorn? It's the first foreign company to wholly own a car manufacturing plant in the country. Previously, the government required foreign manufacturers to create a joint venture with a local company or shoulder a 25% tax on imports. But with Tesla, it was different. The plant officially opened in December 2019 to great fanfare, complete with an employee wedding proposal and a display event of the first Model 3 electric cars. Although it was forced to close down on January 29th due to the coronavirus, the plant was back in business on February 10th, and Tesla said on an earnings call that the Shanghai outlet already boasts an annual capacity of 150,000 cars. Tesla plans to build a second electric vehicle, or EV, plant in China to help it keep up with soaring demand both locally and in export markets, according to reports in China citing sources close to the company. The EV manufacturer was said to be planning to double capacity to China to at least 1 million cars per year in the short term, with a second plant set to be built near its existing factory in the Lingyang Free Trade Zone in Shanghai. Other reports suggested this would just be the next step in Tesla's long-term plan to have the capacity for 1 to 2 million vehicles per year in China to increase the company's exposure to the country's rapidly growing EV market. Sales of new energy vehicles, NEVs, comprising mainly electric and hybrid-powered vehicles, surged by 157% to a record 3,521,000 units in China in 2021, or 13% of total vehicle sales in the country, according to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers. Battery-powered electric vehicles amounted to 2,990,000 units. The government recently lifted its target for NEV sales to account for 40% of total vehicle sales by 2030 and 60% by 2035 before internal combustion vehicles are phased out completely in the 2040s. This will provide a substantial growth opportunity for global EV manufacturers. Tesla produced around 484,000 EVs in China in 2021, or more than half of its global output, with around 320,000 of these sold locally. With costs lower than in the US, the Chinese factory has helped make Tesla more competitive in global markets, including Asia and Europe. How do you think a Tesla car is made? Well, Tesla takes raw sheets of rolled aluminum and turns them, along with hundreds of other parts, into finished vehicles at its gigafactories. In a Tesla Model 3, there are 10,000 unique parts of every vehicle, according to Elon Musk. The pack alone is several thousand cells, he said. Assembling all of those parts with as close to a zero failure rate as possible is hard to imagine for folks who have not lived it firsthand. That's why automation seemed like the obvious solution to Tesla when it came time to build the affordable Model 3. Installing robots that don't mind doing the same task over and over thousands of times per day with unparalleled precision was part of the plan from day one. The process of making cars included the integration of Tesla's operating system into the human-machine interfaces, HMIs, of the equipment in the factory. Tesla's ability to master and actively develop new manufacturing processes in the physical world with new equipment and in the digital world with custom software continues to be a significant advantage. The advantage stretches just beyond the automotive world and into the broader landscape of manufacturing companies, as other companies that build products don't also design and program the equipment to build them at this scale. So, well done, Tesla. Are you also fascinated by the production of Tesla cars? The whole process looks like a scene from science fiction. And just imagine when you enter one of the factories and see a lot of people and robots working together. It's like a world from the future. Can you believe this exists? So yes, this exists because Elon Musk does impossible things. We eagerly await your comments because we're sure you have a lot to say about this topic, or even if you want to ask questions. In any case, we're here to read your comments. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Also, try to share the video with your friends and relatives, maybe they'll like it too. Press the bell to be notified when a new video is posted on the channel. That's it for today. We hope you'll continue to follow us. Have a nice day, and see you again soon.